Okay, let's try the next character first. Okay, so this is going to get interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create the portion on the left first, and that is something like this, I guess. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to do something here to test to sort of get an idea of what it should look like. Okay, so I'm going to use as an existing font. Okay, so okay, and we are going to change the font type to since last year around September, so maybe around 9 months, 8 to 9 months, yeah. Okay, so let's change the font to a pixel version of it, which does nothing. So I guess we have to refer to this. Okay. Of course, another way of going about doing this is to not use the sort of the kanji version of this, but the hiragana, which is much simpler to create. Okay, or we could also use the katakana version. So Nihongo, which is this. Okay, so if you can take a look at the right corner. So this is the hiragana version, which is much easier to draw, and this is the katakana. Okay, so maybe we should choose this instead. Okay, as you can see from the strokes, Okay, it's much easier to draw. But of course, in the best scenario, we want this. So I'm just going to try and see if I can create a simple version of that. So we have two lines here, and maybe one line here, and next we have a square. So instead of having this square here, we'll use a simple dot for that. So that means it will be something like this. And on the right, okay, on the right it's something like this. Okay, and here we have a square. So this is if we want to follow the exact size of it. Okay, but of course it looks weird if we use this version. Okay, so what should we do? Okay, so this is a tough situation, which I have to admit. Okay, so instead of getting stuck here, okay, what I'm gonna do is to let's see. Okay, so instead of getting stuck here, we can first export the other images. Okay, so let's do that first. Okay, so we have a few images to export. So what I'm going to do is use AppleScript to do that. Okay, so it will help us automate the exporting process. Okay, so let's go to the script over here. Okay. Okay, so let's export the images that we have created just now. Okay, design, layout, options. Okay, so this, the background music on and off. and options. Okay, so using AppleScript allows us to save time, as it will automatically export all of the selected images. Okay, so we don't have to do so one by one manually, which is not efficient. Okay, so we have exported the images here. Controller underscore new. Okay, so I'm going to copy, okay, and paste them to Unity. Okay, so options. Okay, review in Finder. Okay, and paste. Okay, so next we have to change some image import settings. Okay, this will be point, apply. Okay, 72. Okay, so everything here will change the pixels per unit, and the filter move the point. Okay. So our options manager here, control connector. Okay, let's uncheck that. Okay, let me just pause the background music and start the game, and let's take a look at what the new options screen looks like now with the updated text. Okay, but of course we might have to make some minor adjustments here and there. Okay, so we are just waiting for Unity to start, okay, the game for the first time, which usually takes a while. Okay, so it's almost as if Unity needs to kick and wake the game up. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the starting screen, and this is the story cutscene that is still a work in progress. Okay, now let's take a look at the new option screen here. So as you can see, we also need to change the selection box. And 1x is rather small, so I'm going to change it to using 2x, which is 200%. Oh, Well, that is fair enough. It is definitely up to your preference. Okay, we definitely need to change the selection box as it's rather big right now. Okay, but before that, okay, we need to increase the size of our items on the left. So let's do that now. Okay, 200%. So that means we need to increase the size for, okay. So if that's the case, we might as well use the Apple script, since we are going to change more than one item. Okay, let's see. Okay, so over here, okay, under layout options, so we'll increase the size for the items on the left. That means we need to increase the size for the items on the right as well. So this should be rather fast. Okay, and we are done. Okay, and copy and paste them to update them. Okay, and just to make sure that we are using 100%, or rather a scale of 1.0 for the items in the option screen. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that that is what we are using. So options, music background. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at what the option screen looks like now. Okay, when we increase the size to 200%, okay, and by the way, we could increase the size to 200% using Unity. Okay, by changing the scale factor to 2, but I'm not going to do that because Unity doesn't do a good job of, or should I say, it has some weird bugs when it does that, or when you use it to scale up the pixel art. So sometimes it's not accurate. Okay, so this is much better. So that means our options has to be 4x, which is 400%, and we need a new selection box here. Okay, So let's start with the options word, which is this. Okay. Okay, 400%. Okay. Okay, and we'll just copy and paste. So now when we start and play the game, okay, it should be easier for us to differentiate between the options title and the items in the options screen. Okay, as usual, we need to get to the character selection screen and press escape. Whoa. Okay, so this is the options title now. So it's right smack in the top and center portion of the screen. So you will definitely know that this is the options screen. Okay, so now we need to change the selection box to be smaller. Okay, and we need 4 items on the right as well. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, 72 apply. Okay, so let's go back to Photoshop. Okay, let's close this. Okay, and let's open up the selection box, which is this. Okay, but we need to check the dimension of it. Oh, okay, so it's using a width of 860 and height of 60. Okay. Okay, so here. Oh. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay. So I'm just going to drag and drop this over here. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to assume that it is okay, so this means that it is translucent. Yep. Okay, it definitely is translucent because okay, it's above the items, but we still can see the characters here. So that means there is some percentage of opacity that is gone. Yeah. So first thing first, okay, so we need to change this. Okay, so let's create a new group for this. Selection box. Okay. So if we paint it here, yeah. So that means we need a darker color. Okay, so what if we use... Oh, wait a second. Option scene gone. Okay, the opacity should be... Okay, let me just change the background color to red. Okay. So when we change the opacity of this to say 50%, it becomes grayish. Okay, so we are going to use this color. Okay. Okay, so there are 10 pixels between each item. So we have some space in between each row. So what we are going to do is to make it such that yeah. Okay, so there are 4 pixels here and 4 pixels here. So I'm going to duplicate. Okay, maybe we do not need to do that. Okay, maybe we should do that.